Start with company funnels, then create unique lead pages for better online marketing.
Creating funnels at all, use what the company is giving you to get your feet wet and go through the experience of marketing online. As you start getting seasoned a little bit, you start understanding the process. This is where I take you to step 2. Focus on creating your own pages. What I mean by that is create your own lead capture page. Okay, so that way that's your own custom lead capture page. You can collect leads yourself, and then from there you can connect their sales pages and things like that. It's very important to understand that it's easier in the very beginning to use the pages from the programs, but don't forget you're not the only person promoting that offer. So the more that you get creative and make it more unique, you can create a lot more conversions for yourself and make more money. But if you want to create some consistent conversions, and here's a tip for you, and if you don't understand this, because you might be a little experienced or maybe you're just getting started, I highly recommend you start learning as quickly as possible, how do I create bonuses? How do I create incentives for people to want to sign up to my program? Because it's not enough just to put an affiliate link out there anymore. You really want to create incentives, and it's kind of like you're nudging people off the edge,
right?
To make that decision. Because if you're just offering just a checkout page or just a sales page, it's not good enough.